Welcome to our inspirational quotes. Inspirational quotes and motivational sayings have an amazing ability to change the way we feel about life. This is why I find them so interesting and crucial on your path to success. What is the secret of the motivational sayings? You see, the way you think and feel about yourself, including your expectation on both personal and professional life, what is possible for you determines everything that happens to you. Okay, you have complete control over only one thing in the whole universe. You have complete control over one thing in the whole universe, that is your thinking. Your thinking is 100% in your control in the whole universe. Okay, now few quotations and a small story I would like to narrate. Knowledge is not enough, we must apply our knowledge. Wishing is not enough, we must do. This is a small quote. Similarly, imagine your life is perfect. Imagine your life is perfect in every respect. What would it look like? Just imagine, close your eyes, imagine everything is perfect for you. Just think of it. That gives you enormous amount of courage, piousness, sacredness towards your professional and personal growth. We generate fears while we sit. We generate fears while we sit. We overcome them by action. Always work, be in action, so that the fears will go on their own. Security is mostly a superstition. Security, we always call security, security, security. It is a superstition. Life is either a daring adventure or nothing. Life is either a daring adventure or nothing. Okay? Right. The man who has confidence in himself gains the confidence of others. The man who has got confidence in himself gains the confidence of others. The only limit to our realization of tomorrow will be our doubts of today. So these are the small things I would like to say. A small story I have for you. So what is a small story? It is only to inspire. Just I try to explain. A man found a cocoon of a butterfly. One day, a small opening appeared on the cocoon. He sat and watched the butterfly for several hours as it struggled to force its body through that little hole until it suddenly stopped making any progress and looked like it was stuck. Okay? In the cocoon, the young butterfly was stuck. It was trying and trying. The man was watching. The man decided to help the butterfly, seeing its pains. So the man wanted to help the butterfly. He took a pair of scissors and snipped off the remaining bit of the cocoon. The butterfly then emerged very easily, although it had a swollen body and small shriveled wings. The man didn't think of anything of it and sat waiting for the wings to enlarge to support the butterfly. He was waiting. So when it will fly, when it will fly. But that didn't happen. The butterfly spent the rest of its life unable to fly, crawling around with tiny wings, okay, and a swollen body. Despite the kind heart of the man, he didn't understand that the by restricting cocoon, he didn't understand by restricting the cocoon and the struggle needed by the butterfly to get itself through the small opening. Okay, the God's way of forcing fluid from the body of the butterfly into the wings. The body of the butterfly has to force some fluid into the wings. Okay, that's why it was suffering. Now, to prepare itself for flying once it was out of the cocoon. So he tried to enlarge the cocoon's small opening, unable to come out, he thought. But had he allowed that cocoon to be like that, and then the butterfly tried its own to come out, energy, thinking, efforts, it would have otherwise would have been a healthy and happy butterfly. So, what is the moral of it? Our struggles in the life develop our strengths. Our struggles in life develop our strengths. Without struggles, we never grow and never get stronger. This is the message. So, it is important for us to tackle challenges on our own and not be relying for help on others. So, this is a small story which I thought of telling you. So, may God bless you. All the best for your exam. Thank you very much. May God bless you.